So this is just a quick review on the the SEMRush keyword magic tool. So you log into your SEMRush account, normal dashboard, and you will go to keyword analytics and you will see a tool down here which is in beta mode at the moment. I believe it does go live fully on the 1st of October and will be part of your subscription. But the keyword magic tool, quite a great little tool there. So this is what the overview looks like. So you can enter a keyword in here, you can pick your database and then start to pull together some data. Prior to this, I've actually set up a list, so I'll just use my list to go through everything. So initially what I've done was put in the keyword SEO Scotland, and it's the UK database, just to go for something that's maybe not as competitive as everything else out there, so that you understand the tool. So when you do that, it brings up all the kind of keywords here. So all of the keywords in total there bring out around 390 monthly searches for all of those keywords put together, with an average difficulty of 3.48%. Now the average difficulty is a score that goes between 0 and 100, so 3.48% is the lower end of the scale. Now just to talk about a couple of features of the tool. So for example, it brings up a whole bunch of keywords here. You can use this kind of thing at the side here to filter down some of the keywords. So obviously it's loosely related to SEO Scotland, but if we wanted to look at words that contain the word expert, it's saying there's 2 of them. So if we click on experts, it should pull out the keywords there. And course, you know, if you were selling courses, or best SEO in Scotland, or whatever it may be. Obviously it's ideal to look at all keywords initially, but you can filter that down either by keyword or volume. So if you wanted to look at the ones that get the most search, then you can do that as well. There are some other cool things here where you can use you know, the kind of volume, keyword difficulty, cost per click, competition, SERP features, and you can see obviously if it's featured snippets or whatever, and kind of words count as well. Now you can also filter this by broad match, phrase match, exact match as well. And what is quite good as well about this tool is you can 1, export the data, or 2, add the keywords to the keyword analyzer. So say for example, I really loved, you know, a couple of these keywords here. You know, I can add them there and add them to keyword analyzer, which I'll go into in a moment. Now you can look at more than one keyword as well, so you can add other keywords all the way along here. And you know, I've got SEO Scotland, SEO Glasgow, and SEO Edinburgh, and you can flick between those to see, you know, kind of what the volume is, the trend over the last 12 months, the keyword difficulty, the average cost per click, competition, SERP features, and the results in the SERP. So if I click on the results in the SERP, it will actually give me the actual results as well, so you can see all of that kind of stuff, and you can add all of these kind of keywords to the keyword analyzer. So once you select the keywords that you want to work on, add them to keyword analyzer. You can add them all or whatever you want to do, and then you can actually just go to keyword analyzer using the go to keyword analyzer. So all the keywords that I want to analyze, I've put over into the keyword analyzer tool, and it will tell you here, you know, I've got 58 out of 1,000, so I can analyze 1,000. Now what's important here for you to know is it will give you the volume, the search volume for all the keywords, and it will give you the average difficulty. You can export this data, updating the metrics. Obviously there's some keywords that I've added here that I haven't got the metrics for, so I'm going to just click on that just now, and what it does is updates all the metrics for all the keywords that you've got. That should take probably 10-15 seconds to work. And what it does is, as I say, it shows you the trend or the interest of searchers on the keyword over the last 12 months. Keyword difficulty between 1 and 100, so 45 for SEO Glasgow, 39 for local SEO Glasgow, as you'd expect, and goes up and down. On that subject, I would personally say anything between 0 and 70 is fair game. You can probably rank for it relatively easy. Anything above 70, you're going to look at having to do a bit more work, which is what you would expect for keywords that are actually bringing in revenue anyway. Cost per click is for pay-per-click stuff. The level of competition, it gives you a competitive density shown on a scale from 0 to 1.00, with 1.00 being the most competitive. It also shows you the number of SERP features, click potential, and it will also show you your competition. So if I click on SEO Glasgow, it's going to show me all of the guys that are up there for SEO Glasgow. So it's quite a cool tool, and obviously you've got some filters here for everything that you want to do. So if you just want to filter that kind of stuff down, or you want to filter it down in keyword difficulty, you can use all these kind of filters here. So that is the kind of keyword magic tool. It's quite simple and easy to use, and it gives you quite a lot of data that you can either export, delegate tasks to people, find out other keywords. It's just a great tool to give you ideas and an idea of how difficult it's going to be as well, and obviously a rough idea of the kind of search volume that you're going to be getting for those keywords as well. So it's pulling a lot of data together quickly, easily into a nice format that allows you to show this to the staff that you're using, or the virtual assistants that you're using, or whatever you choose to do to carry on with your project. But that is the kind of SEMRush keyword magic tool, and I personally think it does a great job, so you should have a look at it and utilise it. If you do have feedback, you can send the feedback through the SEMRush tool up at the top there if there's anything you suggest that may improve the tool. So that is the tool for today.